last time we walked this way.
Yeah. I was hunting for this lot.
Yo, it's a little breezy out here, but not too cold, so you can still wear this right here, y'all. Jeez. I guess we're gonna go to the right. Oh, hey, I got you. Come on, let's go. Ready, 1, 2, 3. You're welcome. Take care, ladies. All right. How you doing? You're not gonna do it, right? You have a name? Where y'all from? Hello. Don't let it fall. Take care. Want to say your name? Thank you. Take it, ladies. Oh man. We're gonna find out where the club is at. Sheesh, proud of y'all. And it's type cold, man.
Easy face.
I'm gonna catch up with the fellas at, man. They bust the left, All right. Let me cut across. Let me cut across before the cars come. Oh, to the right. Had to catch up. Had to hit the Shooski Baluski, y'all, so we can find something to go in before it closes.
Keep on dreaming, us will find a reason. Traded seasons, burning leaves in evenings. Might not be the right time. Keep me in your memory. Might not be the right time. Keep me in your memory. Keep me in your memory. Me in your memory. Keep me in your memory. Me in your memory. Keep me in your memory. Me in your memory. Keep me in your memory. Me in your memory.
Good hat. So here you have a gay club, right? Right here. Right there you have a gay club, right? Then you have the white bar right here. Then you have the hood bar right here. All on the same strip. Dog, this is just weird, bro. But I mean, it's different. Not my type of different, but I mean, I guess. And then down here you got more white bars, and then like here it's like just it's crazy, yo. I mean, I just went around one time, yo. DC, D motherfucking C, yo. This is wild, son. This. All right, thanks, man.
You gotta hide from them so they don't.
Hello. Nah. Oh. Let's do what? Goddamn boy. Hello.
I need a drink. I'm hot.
We got the cops out here. I mean, there's a couple of nice things out here. This shit's crazy. DC, y'all not gonna let this down, yo. Hey, yo, I'm gonna have mad jokes next time. Mad jokes next time, yo. Mad jokes, for real, yo. DC, bro. I done been a lot of places around the United States. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? What's going on?
This YouTube?
Okay, it's YouTube. Yeah, it's YouTube.
What's going on?
Oh, no, recording it. What's your name?
We in the city, Tati.
Gabe.
Gabe.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you from DC?
I am from Maryland.
Atlanta.
Okay.
Atlanta.
But we here for the weekend.
Okay.
Yeah,
Is your first time?
His first time, yes.
Okay. How y'all like it so far?
Man,
It's a vibe.
the
Food.
Alright, give me a name of a spot that y'all been to that's really, really good.
I egg you.
Yes.
That's a good
breakfast
spot. That's a breakfast spot. Brunch.
Yes.
It's
Top tier.
They're rated top 2
Top
breakfast
2.
sandwich in the whole entire city. They're the best.
So if I go to egg you
I egg you.
tomorrow, what should I order?
The bulgogi sandwich.
What does that come with?
It comes with egg, bulgogi. It has like
What's
turkey
bulgogi?
bacon.
Some sauce.
It's like a meat, but like Hawaiian,
Reminds
like
like a
Korean
steak.
type
It reminds
of
like a steak kind of
yeah.
like
Okay.
fleshed out meat.
Okay.
It's dope.
It's cooked though, right?
Washington
It's cooked.
Post, yes.
Okay.
For sure
Washington
cooked.
Post rated that sandwich top 2 in the city.
Top 2 in the city.
Awesome.
For breakfast
awesome.
sandwiches.
So
Thank you so
I
much.
egg you.
We're gonna go to I Egg You tomorrow because yes, breakfast is. Appreciate
Go
it.
there.
Thank you so much.
Of
Y'all want to give your Instagram to them? Or just-
On Instagrams?
Yeah.
Mine's Kaylani.Marie_.
Okay.
and mine is ARCVNE.
ARC.
VNE.
Spell Kalani.
KAILANI.Marie MARIE_.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I egg you, right?
Yes.
I appreciate it. I egg. Oh, pardon stuff. Oh. All right, so now we're gonna go to Denny's and get some food because this is not. This is not it. I wish I could just find a chick to go to Denny's with, but I don't know. Hello. How was the night?
It was good. Try.
It was good. It was a good night. Good night. Ah, man. I don't really know I think I know where the car is at, but maybe not. We're gonna see, y'all. That's like a whole piece in his hand, boy. Yes. We're gonna get some real cool food, y'all. Man, he's in a rush. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. Hello, ladies. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Sheesh, I didn't even see all that. That was crazy. I didn't even see all that. Let me see if some wild stuff going on. He got the eyes on.
Maybe there's a reason that long.
Let me see. I think it's this way. I think you're pushing the car. Oh, this dope. Pushing it. Just push the car, y'all. Oh, that's weak. Damn. Trying to push it, but come on, man. Oh, hold up. Let's walk around a little bit. I don't even really know where the car is at.
I don't think it's there, Reggie.
D.C. There's so many different parts of D.C., y'all. Just walk with me. Nice. Capo. Eritrean. Somali or Eritrean. Right? Gotta be one of the two. This is full. Oh, what? Oh.
Dr. Phil.
Ah, Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil.
Okay.
Let me tell you something today. Buy my book. Or whatever he says.
Maybe.
Is that the end of it? Oh, yeah. Oh, who wants Brad to get out of the car? Oh, yeah, of course. Just trying to show people what DC is like at night. Just an eclectic group of people. Just tell the how eclectic this group is. Hello, ladies. How y'all doing? Look at the eclecticness, boy. It's crazy. Are you like a singing group or something? Are y'all in the sing? No.
I said no.
You a singing group?
I'm gonna break the camera.
You can't break the camera. You can't break the camera. How's she trying to break the camera?
No.
Why she's trying to break the camera?
No, he can't break it. I know.
This is Dr. Phil. Dr. Phil, so whatever, like life.
I'll break your face.
Might want to move.
I'll break your face. I'm gonna take it.
Oh!
You walk me out.
Oh, he jumped too! Woo!
I'm gonna stomp you out.
In HD, he jumped!
Hold him.
Save him!
Hold him.
Oh, he said he's going down. Oh, he's going to jail. I thought he said.
Get right here and hold him.
Woo!
You gotta make U-turn and everything.
No, one is crazy, yo.
Come on, man. I was standing and I got fucking punched.
Punch!
We just gonna punch you for nothing, huh?
Oh, I gotta back out of here, y'all.
You ass out for nothing.
This nigga still on the phone.
That's crazy.
Go home, bro. Go home. Oh my god, this is so funny. I got front row tickets. Ain't no way.
watching him fly.
This was free?
I know. We were just chilling. I was just chilling outside.
Come on, all right. Cameron, work with me, Cameron. Work with. All right, there we go. Damn, I don't even know what it is. I'm going to say I think it was this sheet right here. Let's walk. I think it was this sheet right here.